In this video, we are going to understand about how to find out the perfect square roots by using a trick. So for that trick, you have to learn the squares of the numbers from 1 to 10. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I make videos related to Vedic math. And if you find the video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel.
So let's start our today's topic, which is how to find out the perfect square roots of given numbers. Okay, so I'm going to tell you one trick that by seeing the number only you will be able to check that whether that you will get the perfect square root or not, means you will get the integer value or not, right? So how you can find out that, how you can judge that? So see, if I will write down the squares of the numbers from 1 to 10, then what is the digit at the unit place I am getting? You can observe that the digits are repeating 0, 1, 4, 9, 6 and 5. And from the above also 1, 4, 9, 6 and 5. So what are the digits I am getting at the last place? Unit places 0, 1, 4, 6, 9 and 5. So if these are the numbers at the unit place of your given number, then at the maximum time you will get the answer as the perfect square root. That means the perfect square roots. And if any other number is given at the unit place, means 0, 1, 4, other than that what numbers can be there? 2, 3, 7 and 8. Okay, so if these four numbers are there at the unit place, then most of the time your number will not have perfect square, means non-perfect squares will be there. Okay, so let us find out the trick to find out the perfect squares in this video, and in the next video we will talk about how to find out the non-perfect square roots, right? So to find out that, the very first step is what? Very first step is that you have to break your number in two pairs. The first pair will be the two numbers from the right hand side. Okay, last two numbers from the right hand side will make your first pair and the remaining numbers will make my second pair. So this first pair is going to give me tens digit in my answer, and this pair will give me the unit digit of my answer. Okay, so this is the step number 1, that I have to make pairs. Last two digits will make the first one pair and the remaining digits will make the another pair. Okay, so now take this pair, the very first pair 7, and find out that which is the nearest square to this number. Nearest square to 7 is what? Nearest square to this is 4, and 4 is square of what? 4 is a square of 2. Okay, so in my answer my tens digit will be 2. Now I have to find out my unit digit. So what is my unit digit? How to find out the unit digit? I will take this number 2 and multiply it with its consecutive number, and my answer will be 6. Okay, so 6 is my value. So now I will check that in my step number 4. I will check that whether this 84 is greater than 6 or this 84 is less than 6. Why I am doing this? Because I want to check that by using this method, the squares of these values, I want to check that which will be the digit at my unit place. So you can see that 4 is the unit digit of this number. So 4, when I will do the square of these values, then what are the two numbers I am getting? 2 and 8. So with 2 and 8, I can have 4 at the unit place, which is my value. So if the given number is greater than this resulting value, then I will take the bigger number. So bigger number among 2 and 8 is what? Bigger number among 2 and 8 is my 8. So my answer will be 28. So let us move on to the next question, which is to find out the under root of 3, 7, 2 and 1. So very first step is what I have told you, that you have to make the first pair with the last two digits, and with the remaining digits there will be the second pair. Okay, so now take this pair 37 and find out the nearest square to this is 36, and 36 is square of what? 36 is square of 6. So in my answer 6 will be my tens digit, and I have to find out now my unit place digit. So if I have to find out the unit place digit, so what is the process? I will take this 6, multiply it with its consecutive number, then I will get the number as 42. And in step number 4, what I will check? I will check that whether my earlier number is greater than 42 or my number is less than this 42. So now 21 is less than 42. So I will pick which value? I will check now that because at the unit place I am getting 1 in 1. So I will check that coming at the unit place in which number. So 1 is coming from 1 and 9. So now because 21 is less than 42, so I will take the smaller number. So square root of 3721 is equal to 61. Moving to question number 3. Question number 3 says what? I have to find out the square root of this bigger value. So what I will do? I will follow my steps again. 2 digits from the last will make my first pair, and my second pair will be 645. So step number 2 is what? Step number 2 is that I will find out that the nearest square of 645 is what? Nearest square of 645 is 625, and 625 is square of which number? It is square of 25. So now I will take the step number 3. Step number 3 says what? Step number 3 says that take the value 25 and multiply it with the next consecutive number. Then I will get what? I will get 650. Now I will check that my this number 16 in step number 4. I will check that my this number 16 is greater than 650 or 16 is less than 650. Okay, so I know that 16 is less than 650. So which number I will take? I will first check that which are the two numbers at the unit place I am getting 6. So 4 and 6 are the two numbers, by doing square of which I will get 6 at the unit place. So because this 16 is less than 650, so out of 4 and 6 I will pick 4 as my unit place, and 25 will be my tens place. So 254 is going to be my answer. Okay.
If you find the video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to understand that how to find out the non-perfect squares within few seconds. Till then, take care and bye bye.